Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello dear pupils, I am Teacher Manny and welcome to Read Your Channel. Together, let's make learning English fun and easy. In our past lesson, we have studied the sound of J as J, V as V, and W as W. Now let's read some examples of words with J, V, and W sounds. Here we go. J, jar. J, jet. V, vase. Violin. Wash. Water. There we have the examples of words with J, V, and W sounds. Today, we will be studying the sounds of the last three letters in the alphabet. The letters X, Y, and Z. Let's start with letter X. X sounds like X. Again, X, X, X. Letter X. Here are examples of words with letter X sounds as X, X. Box. Put your toys inside the box. Box. X, X. Fox. I saw a fox at the zoo. Fox. X, X. Ox. Father uses an ox in cutting the log. Ox. Always remember, kids, that letter X sounds like X. Now, let's proceed to the next letter. The letter Y. Letter Y sounds like Y. Again, Y, Y, Y. Letter Y. Here are examples of words with letter Y as Y sound. Y, Y, yo-yo. Kuya Dindo taught me how to play the yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yellow. My favorite color is yellow. Yellow. Yarn. There are colorful yarns on the table. Yarn. Again, kids, letter Y sounds like Y. Let us now proceed to the last letter of the alphabet, and that is letter Z. Now, let's study the sound of letter Z. Z sounds like Z. Again, Z, Z, Z. Letter Z. Here are examples of words with Z sound. Z, Z, zebra. There are 6 zebras at the zoo. Zebra. Z, Z, zoo. We visited the zoo last December. Zoo. Z, Z, zipper. Always see to it that your zipper is closed. Zipper. Remember, kids, letter Z sounds like Z. There we have the sounds of letters X, Y, and Z. Now, let's have more examples of words with X, Y, and Z sounds. Let's read them properly. X, X, 6. There are 6 little Indian boys. 6. X, X, wax. Apply a floor wax on the floor to make it shiny. Wax. Y, y, yuck. A yuck looks like a carabao. Yuck. Y, y, yawn. I always yawn when I'm sleepy. Yawn. Z, z, zigzag. The Cannon Road in going to Baguio City is an example of zigzag road. Zigzag. Z, z, zero. Zero simply means nothing or none. Zero. Congrats, pupils! You have already learned the sounds of letters X, Y, and Z. I hope that you have learned a lot from this video tutorial. Thank you for staying with me. Again, this is Teacher Manny and you are watching the Read Cure channel. See you in our next reading adventure. Bye!